Deep within the lush, verdant jungles of the Yucatan Peninsula, whispers of an ancient civilization echo through the ages. The Mayans, renowned for their astronomical prowess and enigmatic prophecies, continue to captivate the imaginations of explorers, historians, and spiritual seekers alike. Our tale begins with Isabella, a young and spirited archaeologist determined to unravel the mysteries of a recently discovered Mayan temple. Unlike other temples adorned with intricate carvings and vibrant murals, this one stood monolithic and stark, as though guarding secrets older than time itself. As Isabella studied the site, she couldn't shake the feeling that she was being watched, not by human eyes, but by the sentinels of the past. Supporting Isabella in her quest is Mateo, a seasoned historian with a deep respect for ancient cultures. Together, they delve into the heart of the jungle, navigating treacherous foliage and enduring the relentless tropical heat. Mateo's extensive knowledge of the Mayan language proves invaluable as they translate glyphs etched into the temple walls and discover tales of celestial events and divine warriors. These glyphs whisper of an ancient prophecy describing the rise and fall of kingdoms dictated by the stars. Unsurprisingly, the predictions included a cataclysmic event set to realign the spiritual and physical worlds, an event historians called the end date in the Mayan long count calendar. Tension builds as Isabella and Mateo connect the dots between the astronomical calculations found in the Mayan texts with present-day cosmic events. Skeptics long dismissed these prophecies as mere myth, yet there are undeniable synchronicities between the ancient scripts and realistic celestial alignments. One twist in their investigation occurs when they uncover a forgotten chamber within the temple, containing a crystal sphere that resonates with energy. This crystalline structure, they realize, may serve as a link between humanity's past and future. As Isabella touches the sphere, she experiences a vivid vision, a panorama of ancient Mayan priests performing sacred rituals under starlit skies interlaced with glimpses of current world events. The vision leaves Isabella with an ironclad resolve to share her findings with the world. Not only did the Mayans perceive time cyclically, but they also seemed interconnected to a greater cosmic consciousness that transcended time and geography. But as Isabella prepares to reveal her research, forces motivated by skepticism and control seek to prevent the dissemination of potentially humanity-altering information. Will Isabella and Mateo succeed in illuminating the truth before time runs out, or will the secrets of the Mayan prophecies remain forever shrouded in mystery? In this enthralling adventure through time and knowledge, the boundaries between past, present, and the very essence of human existence blur, guiding the reader to ponder the mysteries that lie yet unraveled by modern science, and echoing the eternal question: what did the ancients truly know?